Hello, good day, everybody. This morning I'm so very glad. I'm so very glad because this morning when I wake up, when I open my eyes, I saw on my phone there was 3 payments made to my sensei for one kid. Somebody sponsoring him for his registration and for his whole year of class fees. So thank you for that person. You've made my heart very much happy for that kid, because his parents can't afford him going to the karate class. And one thing about that kid was that he started with us when we started in June 2024. He was with us in the class. He was there up until now. And he's still here. Thank you very much. I'm very glad and I'm appreciative, and I just love what I'm doing now at the moment. Thank you very much for the people that is helping me. Much appreciated. Thank you. God bless.